Do you wish you could still eat your favorite foods, drink beer, and be fit? If so, this video is for you. Stay tuned. You don't need a gym to get in the best shape of your life. Hi, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new and yet to subscribe, be sure to do that, and welcome to my channel. I post a lot of fitness and nutrition advice, as well as the occasional vlog on the Mighty Miracle Man. Check out the story of my accident, and you'll learn why I'm called to that. We'll go over 3 things you need to implement if you're going to enjoy your life and stay fit. 1, alcohol. 2, your favorite food. And 3, moderation. I'll film a separate video going into more detail on liquor in the future, but for now, all you really need to worry about is if you do it, it has to be for the taste. Don't do it to get drunk. That's bad for your gains. If you enjoy foods like this, you'll want to do it sparingly. Have it as a nice treat, like once a week maybe, or less.